Most spending on L&D goes a little bit like this. The organisation identifies a challenge like profitability or retention, which is linked to some business level data. But it gets implemented as a learning program at the bottom in a way which is completely blind to preferences, modes of learning, needs and so on. Without any layer of systematic training needs analysis in between the top level goal and the learning program, it's not surprising we have little idea what actually works to deliver on that goal. For example, in 2001, Swanson found less than 5% of training programs in big companies were ever analysed a financial impact, and I doubt this has changed very much today. What we're really missing is an ongoing analysis of learning needs and behaviours at the level of the organisation overall, individual roles within the organisation, and individual people. If we did that properly in a systematic way, we'd have the data to decide where to spend money and where not to. Sales organisations within large companies tend to be good at this already, so that's a good place to look. We have the additional problem that the data we have is bad. LMS data is biased towards compliance, surveys reveal only perception, not reality. So my advice is to try to generate some clean data on learning preferences using a small group as a pilot. Use some kind of tool which generates useful information to find out what this small group learns, when they learn it, how they learn it, and interview them to find out why. Most importantly, to get started, don't rely on internal knowledge for your assumptions. The problem with most companies, even big companies, is that they aren't big enough to generate reliable data on how people learn at scale. Instead, we need to look to existing external data sets on things like likely skills gaps, the impact of skills on productivity, and the format preferences. That way you can build a hypothesis you can test with a small group. There's loads of this stuff over on filtered.com, so head there to find out more.